Clayton there in lane 5. God bless, got away well, but now Clayton's well into a running. Jackson's got something to do, but it's going to be Clayton who's running away from the field, and she's won this in emphatic fashion.
The 2022 track and field season was arguably one of the best seasons of our Caribbean athletes at all levels. From seeing Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce winning her 5th 100 meters world title, Shericka Jackson running the 2nd fastest 200 meters ever, Shaunae Miller-Ubio winning both the indoor and outdoor 400 meters world titles, Anderson Peters defending his Javelin world title, and Kirani James winning his 3rd Diamond League title over the 400 meters. It can be said that the senior Caribbean athletes have done extremely well. However, the junior athletes also had their moment to shine, predominantly at the CARIFTA Games and the World Under-20 Championships. From seeing them win medals across various events with world-class performances, they have shown that they are the ones to watch for the future. Here is a top 10 countdown of the best performances by Caribbean junior athletes. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for our future videos. Number 10. Handal Roban wins silver at the NACAC Games. Handal Roban of St. Vincent had one of the best seasons of his young career. From competing for Jamaica College with his teammate Javon Blake in Kingston, the world got to see more of this fantastic 800-meter athlete. In April at the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships (Champs), he was able to place 2nd behind his teammate Blake in the 800 meters in 1 minute 49.32 seconds. He continued being consistent throughout the season, and his best performance came in August at the NACAC Games in the Bahamas. Being the youngest in the race at 19 years old, Roban was able to run the 800 meters yet to finish 2nd in a national record of 1 minute 47.03 seconds and earn the championship medal of his career. Roban should be even stronger for years to come and possibly become an Olympic medalist over the 800 meters for his country, St. Vincent. Number 9. Brandon Pottinger equals his personal best to take World Under-20 gold. After taking silver in the high jump at the CARIFTA Games in April with a clearance of 2.14 meters, Jamaica's Brandon Pottinger was determined to win gold in August at the World Under-20 Championships in Cali, Colombia. Pottinger looked quite average in the qualifying rounds, but when the final came, he meant business. In less than favorable conditions with the rain, Brandon Pottinger was not giving up as he was able to equal his personal best of 2.14 meters to take gold on his 4th attempt and decided to forego his 2 additional attempts. Number 8. Keyshawn Strachan wins CARIFTA Javelin gold with a new games record of 79.89 meters.
7th in the World Juniors. Here he is, number 70. Little kinesio tape. That's the start of the effort. He watches it fly, and the Bahamian world number 1 is in charge here.
Has already been confirmed for Auburn University in the United States of America.
Keyshawn Strachan of the Bahamas was quite consistent in the javelin this season, an event where the Caribbean has produced an Olympic champion in Trinidad and Tobago's Keyshawn Walcott and double world champion Anderson Peters of Grenada. In April at the CARIFTA Games in Jamaica, Strachan was able to have a massive games record of 79.89 meters to win gold and solidify himself as the one to watch for years to come. He later went on to take bronze in August at the World Under-20 Championships in Cali, Colombia with a throw of 72.95 meters and ended his season ranked number 2 in the world among under-20 athletes. Number 7. Brianna Lyston breaks the Jamaican high school 200-meter record.
Position off the first time of asking. Lyston got a great start. Kelly is trying to stay with her. Woolery is also trying to stay with her. But it's all about Brianna Lyston at the moment. Look at that beautiful transition off the curve. The high dive speed ball is on a different level. She's gone about her business. The battle is really on for silver and bronze. Brianna Lyston, a fantastic performance. 22.52 new record. A stunning and imperious performance by Brianna Lyston.
Jamaica's Brianna Lyston first made headlines as a 12-year-old while running for St. Jago High School at the Issa Grace Kennedy Secondary Boys and Girls Championships (Champs) in 2017. Lyston was running world-class marks as a child in the 200 meters. Since then, she seemed to have fallen off the radar due to injury. However, the 2022 season saw her make one of the best comebacks yet. Now representing Handal High School and a new attitude, Lyston was determined to re-enter the conversation of one of the world's best junior athletes. She was able to win the 200 meters at the CARIFTA trials in a then personal best of 22.66 seconds, showing fans what could possibly come. After running under the 23 seconds barrier for the first time in March, she returned just weeks after to run the 200 meters at the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships. Before this performance, she finished second behind Tina Clayton in a close 100 meters. At Champs, Lyston entered the 200 meters season with the mindset of demolishing Simone Facey's championship record of 22.72 seconds done in 2004, which coincidentally is the same year that Lyston was born. In the final, Lyston got off to a bullet start and ran an excellent curve with enough energy to hold on to the finish. In the end, Brianna Lyston crossed the line in 22.53 seconds to break the championship record and just 0.03 seconds outside of her countrywoman Brianna Williams' national under-20 record of 22.50 seconds done at the 2018 World Under-20 Championships in Tampere, Finland. Number 6. Antonie Andrews wins 110 meters hurdles gold at the World Under-20 Championships.
Keep your eyes on Sophia there, three from the left. He's got off to an absolutely perfect start as the Dutchman, and he's getting away here. Also coming through Andrews of Bahamas, but surely the gold is going to the way of Netherlands. Oh, he clipped that one! Oh, he's gone from...
Antonie Andrews of the Bahamas shocked everyone in the 110 meters hurdles at the 2022 World Under-20 Championships in Cali, Colombia. Throughout the rounds, Andrews looked quite comfortable as he won both his heat and semifinals in times of 13.36 seconds and 13.39 seconds respectively. Although winning his two races, in the final Matthew Sophia of the Netherlands went in as the favorite, but Andrews ran his own race and stuck to his script. Andrews got off to a fast start with Sophia right there with him until Sophia clipped a few hurdles in the latter stages of the race, which led Andrews to get the better of him. Antonie Andrews crossed the line in a new World Under-20 leading time of 13.23 seconds to take the Bahamas' only gold medal at the championship. Number 5. Jaydon Hibbert turns silver into gold.
Here we go. This is Jaydon Hibbert. 17-year-old. Oh, he's gone out on that one. Well, what has Jaydon Hibbert done?
Jamaica's Jaydon Hibbert won his first triple jump silver medal at the 2021 World Under-20 Championships in Nairobi, Kenya. Since then, he has become the world's best junior triple jumper. Throughout his season, he was undefeated over the triple jump, with his main target being the August World Under-20 Championships in Cali, Colombia. However, having won both the long jump and triple jump at the 2022 CARIFTA Games at home in April, he went into the World Under-20 Championships as the overwhelming favorite for the triple jump. In the final of the triple jump at the World Under-20 Championships, Hibbert was able to leap to a national Under-18 and championship record of 17.27 meters on his first attempt to turn his 2021 silver medal into a gold medal. Number 4. Kerrica Hill wins her first World Under-20 title in the 100 meters hurdles.
In the yellow there, sport from the right, CARIFTA Hill. She's met that hurdle well, but at the moment I'd say James maybe just ahead, but now Hill is coming through. Todd in between them is also having a fantastic run, but it's Hill who's away. Hill takes the title.
Kerrica Hill first ignited a firestorm at the 2022 Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships, Champs, when she was able to win the Class 2 girls 100 meters and 100 meters hurdles double for Handal High School. Having placed 7th at the 2021 World Under-20 Championships in the 100 meters, she went to Cali, Colombia and participated in the 100 meters hurdles. She entered the competition as the favorite, as she was the only athlete to dip below the magical 13 seconds barrier, with her then personal best of 12.98 seconds to win the Jamaica Under-20 title. Throughout the rounds, Hill was able to run a personal best of 12.87 seconds in her semi-final. In the final, Hill was able to earn a bullet start with her teammate Alexis James right there with her. However, Hill was able to maintain her form and finish the race in a championship record of 12.77 seconds to win her first World Under-20 title, with her teammate James in second with a personal best of 12.87 seconds. Number 3. Bouwahjgie and Nkrumie national Under-20 record of 10.02 seconds to place second at the World Under-20 Championships.
Away they go first time, and Tebogo's well into his running, as is Nkrumie. But look at Tebogo in the middle. It's Tebogo. He's turning round. He's celebrating.
Bouwahjgie and Nkrumie of Jamaica has been one of the island's best young talents in the 100 meters. His smooth running style and top-end speed have made him become one of the most exciting junior athletes to watch. Despite placing second to his teammate and rival Sandri Davison at the Jamaica Under-20 Championships, Nkrumie was biding his time nicely. Throughout the rounds of the 100 meters at the World Under-20 Championships in Cali, Colombia, Nkrumie was able to equal the jointly held national Under-20 record of 10.11 seconds held by both Johan Blake and Christopher Taylor. In the finals of the 100 meters, Nkrumie was able to get one of his best starts yet, along with the reigning champion of Letziel Tebogo of Botswana. Nkrumie seemed to be leading the race until the 40 meters marker, where Tebogo was able to pass him, with both smiling at each other as they crossed the line. Letziel Tebogo crossed the line in a new World Under-20 record of 9.91 seconds, while Bouwahjgie and Nkrumie finished second in a new national Under-20 record of 10.02 seconds. This performance by Nkrumie ranks him as the second fastest Caribbean junior athlete behind Trinidad and Tobago's Darrell Brown, who ran 10.01 seconds at the 2003 Paris World Championships. Number 2. Jamaica breaks the girls' World Under-20 4x100 meters world record. Since breaking the world record at the 2021 edition of the World Under-20 Championships in Nairobi, Kenya, most fans thought that the team of Serena Cole, Tia Clayton, Kerrica Hill, and Tina Clayton could have gone faster at the 2022 Championships. Having initially broken the world record earlier at the CARIFTA Games in April with a time of 42.58 seconds, the record was not ratified as Tina Clayton was not tested. At the World Under-20 Championships, the team of Serena Cole, Tina Clayton, Alexis James, and Tia Clayton were able to run a time of 43.28 seconds to lead the qualifiers into the final. The final was set, and fans were eager to see how fast the team would run. Serena Cole looked ready to war as she got ready to go into the blocks to start the relay. Serena Cole got her signature bullet start and handed the baton to Tina Clayton, who ran an excellent backstretch to maintain the lead. Kerrica Hill got the baton, and there was no stopping her as she ran a flawless curve to hand the baton to Tia Clayton for her to anchor the race. Tia Clayton sped to the finish without any competition and crossed the line in a new World Under-20 record of 42.59 seconds to erase the 42.94 seconds done in Kenya. This performance made Jamaica the only team in history to dip below the sub-43 barrier twice. Before we get to number 1, if this presentation was of some value to you, we would greatly appreciate it if you would give this video a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for our next video. Thank you. Number 1. Tina Clayton defends her World Under-20 title in championship record fashion.
Clayton there in lane 5. God bless, got away well, but now Clayton's well into a running. Jackson's got something to do, but it's going to be Clayton who's running away from the field, and she's won this in emphatic fashion.
Tina Clayton has always been mentioned with her twin sister Tia, but she somewhat separated herself from her by winning the 2021 100 meters at the World Under-20 Championships in Nairobi, Kenya. Tina Clayton's mission was not only to return to the World Under-20 Championships to win, but to break the championship record done by America's Twanisha Terry at the 2018 Championships. Having broken Brianna Williams' national Under-20 record of 10.97 seconds with her clocking of 10.96 seconds at the Jamaica National Under-20 Championships, most fans knew that Tina Clayton had more to offer. Throughout the rounds of the 100 meters, Clayton was able to run quite comfortably and saved all her energy for the final. In the final, Tina Clayton was able to get an explosive start with her teammate Serena Cole being right there with her. Though being pressured, Tina Clayton was able to maintain her form and cross the line in a new championship and national under-20 record of 10.95 seconds to defend her 2021 title, while her teammate Serena Cole was second in 11.14 seconds, just outside of her personal best of 11.13 seconds to make it a Caribbean Quinella. Overall, it can be said that the Caribbean junior athletes had quite a successful season by winning multiple medals and breaking many records. The 2023 season should see many new faces representing the region, continuing to win medals, breaking records, and continuing to put the region on the world map. Watch this video on the top 10 Caribbean athletes to watch in the 2023 track and field season. What do you think of our choice of the top 10 best performances by Caribbean athletes for the 2022 track and field season? Did we get it right? Let us know your thoughts below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for our next video. This is Gyro Caribbean Sports. See you in the next video.